Okay, using our calculator to calculate trigonometric functions at given angles. So as we get going on these, what we want to do is make sure, first of all, that you're really confident about if we're in degree or radian mode in our calculator. So to get to that, what most calculators, what you're going to push is the mode button, which is right next to the second or shift button towards the top. And on mine, it's like the third option down. You want to make sure that degree mode is highlighted if you're working with degrees, and radian mode is highlighted if you're working in radians. So on some of these, they are not very difficult to figure out how to punch them in. Sine of 17 degrees, making sure you're in degree mode. This is going to be, as we're approximating here, about 0.29237 to 5 decimal places. When you get into the other three, though, if you're not dealing with sine, cosine, and tangent, in this case, we have secant of 88 degrees. What we want to do is we want to utilize cosine and secant go hand in hand, except for they're reciprocals of one another, which means that we have to convert this over into cosines before we punch it into our calculator. And no, the cosine raised to the negative first power means something different. So you don't want to rewrite it like that or use your calculator in that fashion. Instead, you can rewrite this as 1 over the cosine of 88 degrees. So 1 divided by cosine button, 88, and then press enter as long as we're in degree mode. And this will be approximately 28.65371. All right. Next, the last two we're going to do on this video, we want to be in radian mode. So again, go to the mode button on your calculator, make sure you're in radians. The first one shouldn't be too bad, just cosine button 1.2. I got this to be approximately 0.36236. But then when we get to cotangent, we need to rewrite this in terms of tangent, which will just be 1 over tangent of 1.54, 1 divided by tangent of 1.54. And again, remember that's not the second tangent or tangent inverse. So you have to really rewrite it first, and then we got 0.03081 is what came out of my calculator for this. All right, so I hope this helps out. Students tend to struggle with secant and cotangent and cosecant for that matter, but the important key is rewrite them first, and also make sure you're in the right mode as far as your calculator goes to get a good approximation with this. All right, hope this helps out. Good luck.